Hi, my name's Ryan, this is my bike check. I got stolen Vortex bar ends, ODI grips, Odyssey lumberjack bars, stolen clutch stem, stolen Vortex forks with a stolen side of headset, Salt Plus female front hub, a Clap tripping rim with Weaving People Speeding tyres, stolen cheetah frame, some stickers, Clap seat, stolen SIC post, the Clap pedals, stolen team cranks, stolen attorney sprocket, some rubbish chain because I haven't got a new one yet.
Because he's fat and stabbed half length.
Stolen bottom bracket, another crank arm, another pedal.
You sure? Are you sure there's two? That doesn't sound right.
We the People Feeling tyre, a Clap tripping rim again, and the Salt Plus rear hub with the SID system.